Vermont Legal Aid Client Assistance Program. Pre-employment transition services frequently asked questions. What are pre-employment transition services or pre-ETS? Pre-employment transition services or pre-ETS help students with disabilities move from school to further education, training, and employment. These services are provided by Higher Ability Vermont, HAVT, formerly Voc Rehab VT, and other providers under a federal law called the Workforce Innovation and Opportunities Act, or WIOA. Who is a student with a disability under the Workforce Innovation and Opportunities Act? A student with a disability is a youth or young adult in a high school, college, or other education program who has a disability and is between the ages of 14 through 21 and receiving special education and related services through an IEP or receiving services or accommodations under a 504 plan. What pre-TS are required? There are 5 services that must be provided to students with disabilities. They are job exploration and counseling, work-based learning experiences in school and the community, which may include school-based vocational training programs, work in integrated employment settings, or internships. Counseling on opportunities for enrollment in comprehensive transition programs, job training programs, or college educational programs after high school, workplace readiness training to develop social skills and independent living skills, and instruction is self-advocacy, which may include person-centered planning and peer mentoring. What other pre-ETS may be available? When there is money available, pre-ETS money may be used to improve the likelihood that those with intellectual and other significant disabilities can live independently, participate in their community, and work in competitive integrated workplaces. This can happen in a variety of ways, such as training for staff, schools, and others working with students with disabilities, coordinating with others who provide transition services, providing information about effective ways to achieve the goals, using evidence-based findings to improve policies, practices, and procedures, providing information and strategies to improve transition to post-secondary education, and working with educators, providers, and employers in other states and regions to achieve the goals. How can the Client Assistance Program help students with disabilities get pre-ETS? The Client Assistance Program can help students with disabilities get the pre-ETS they need in several ways. The Client Assistance Program can provide information to parents, educators, and administrators about pre-employment transition services and other requirements of the Rehabilitation Act, support parents in IEP meetings where transition is being discussed, and help resolve disputes between schools and Higher Ability Vermont and other Rehab Act providers regarding responsibility for providing and/or paying for transition services. The Client Assistance Program is a special project of Vermont Legal Aid Incorporated.